With 15,000 categories on eBay, it is possible to sell just about anything on this platform. However, there is a list of prohibited items which I'd recommend every seller to read. Examples of prohibited items include prescription drugs, offensive material, and police-related items. Listings must be for a tangible item or service. Listings cannot infringe the intellectual property of others, for example, by selling fakes or by using imagery without permission. eBay has something called a Vero scheme to police this. Rights owners, for example companies that control brands, can register for this scheme and then tell eBay about listings which they believe will infringe their intellectual property. eBay will then remove those listings and it is up to the seller to appeal. On the Prohibited and Restricted Items page, there is a long list of prohibited and restricted items. A second area that sellers need to be aware of is eBay's listing policy. This refers both to the content of the listings, in terms of the textual description of the item, and also features such as links and emails. eBay does not want people to be redirected off the eBay listing. It does not allow links or emails in the listing description. You also cannot use JavaScript. eBay states that listings should accurately describe the item, they should give an accurate location, and you should not use keywords in the description that do not describe the item. So for example, if you are selling a little black dress, but it's not a Chanel dress, you cannot say, looks like Chanel. So you should not use brand names that do not describe the item. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.